What happens when it rains? Is your Easyshed watertight? Let's answer that in today's video. Every Easyshed is designed to be watertight. You've seen Tom's 40-year-old shed used for orchard irrigation and Dez's indestructible shed. You know our sheds are watertight and can take a hit. Whether yours can depends on these factors.
Our sheds are made using high tensile galvanised steel in our factory in Albury, New South Wales. When assembled right, these steel sheets overlap, preventing water from seeping in. Avoid gaps between sheeting or along the ridge if you're assembling a shed with a gable roof.
In your kit, you'll have a generous amount of roofing screws. You can tell these apart from your regular screws by the neoprene seals. When used as instructed, this gives your roof an added layer of protection. Some areas get more rain than others. Could be a different city, suburb, or just a part of your property that's more exposed. Be sure to account for this when picking a roof style. Our sheds are made tough. They take care of your things, not the other way around. But it doesn't hurt to do a bit of maintenance here and there. Your Easyshed is designed to be watertight, and now you've got all the tools you need to keep it that way. Want more DIY tips or have any questions for us? We're here to help you keep your shed looking and performing its best.
Rain, hail or shine.